you want to prolong the life of your roof with high-quality services, this roofing contractor is the solution for you. MW Construction and Roofing announced the launch of an updated range of roof repair and installation services. The company is currently offering a 10% price reduction on all roof repairs. The team at MW Construction and Roofing have state-of-the-art equipment and are well-trained in all roofing projects. They offer roof repairs, full roof replacements and roof installation services in Montana. Amidst the current pandemic, the experienced technicians are committed to providing roofing services with high-quality materials. As part of their commercial roofing services, they provide Firestone rubber roofing, aluminum roof coating, and silicone roof coating. Go to constructionandroofing.com for more info.